Welcome back to Superior Supercharged, and today we're putting the Alky control system into the vet. So the first thing that you have to do, you just gotta get it lifted up, make sure it has enough support, and you gotta make sure you have like the back tire supported so it doesn't like just slide. And once you get the front left tire off, you're gonna see a fender, like a fender well right here. You gotta take that off, and that's how you're gonna be able to access the area where you're gonna have to put in the Alky control system.
You pick it up.
Just a reminder, guys, we are actually just reinstalling the old pump that just got redone. Here it is right here. It just looks like a little nitrous bottle. It says Alky Control on it. And yeah, we're just reinstalling that. And we're going to get to this good part here shortly. Just taking off the screws now. Alright, so in here, after you take this whole panel off, there's going to be 6 on over here, and then there's going to be 3 more on the underside. When you take all of them off, you're going to have complete access to all the wiring and power that, like, we're going to be, the pump is going to be reinstalled, and here, as you can see, we're going to have a lot of access, and it's going to be really easy to reinstall it, as, like, opposed to only taking off the ones in the front. So we have all the pumps and all the wires here, and we're ready to go. Time to get real, boys. Let's do it. This is the inside of everything in here. See? Yeah.
Goes there. All right. Well, you know what, John? Huh?
Getting started on it.
Yeah, this isn't. I think this one. No. And those are the bolts you put in, and that's it, and then we'll move on.
Yeah. Alright, so we got the screws in. Things not going anywhere at this point. So we're about to put the hoses, attach them to where they gotta go. And once that's set up, we're just gonna reassemble the tire and everything, and we'll be good to go.
Should be fine. There it is installed.
There it is, all hooked up. Reinstalled. All the hoses are connected. It's together. All that's good stuff. About to get this bad boy back on. Wrenches and sizes.
You're silly.
What's up, Jeannie? Bye. Bye-bye.
Oh.
Just popping the hood. We're gonna fill everything up now.
Make sure there's no leaks. I have one more.
Goes in right here. Alky Control.
Yeah, but I have one more thing I gotta do here. I want to change this sensor.
Pro charger, guys. Get one. Seat belt covers. Alright, guys. Gotta get the methanol. That's what we put in. The mail just happened to stop by. And in it, I think is more stuff for the vet. Just Coast Corvettes.
That's what you got.
Yep. It's not just Coast, it's actually West Coast as part of the W's cut off.
West Coast Video?
West Coast Corvettes.
Yeah.
Yeah. PF8AT. Race Engineering. Borla. Weld Racing. Ooh, Weld Racing, those are rims.
They make a lot of stuff.
Yeah. Pro Charger Racing, Ebuck Springs. Ibach. Cat. And as you can see, the light right here is yellow. We got a ton of LEDs for under the hood and inside the vehicle. So those will all be put in soon. Looking forward to that. We have a ton of exterior and interior upgrades, and it's just going to be really sick. And guys, one more thing that I wanted to show you that we actually did pretty recently. If you look down here, we plasti-dipped the diffuser, and it looks really good. I really like the way it turned out. It turned out nice and smooth, and it looks really great. The lines are pretty much completely on point. And this was just done by my dad and I. And I think it looks really cool. Makes the car's like back end stand out, and I think it improved the car's, you know, just overall look by quite a bit. It looks really nice, and I just think it turned out really well. We're also thinking about plasti dipping the mirrors right here because we need more, you know, kind of black contrast. We're getting a lot of stuff done, guys. Like, it's gonna be like, you're not even gonna notice it. I mean, you're not even gonna like recognize it barely, because it's like, it's gonna be really cool though. It's not gonna be anything stupid. We're not doing anything dumb. We're not gonna be doing anything that's gonna look bad. Everything's gonna look really clean, and it's gonna just make the car pop. And I know you guys remember the lights being all blacked out right here and right there and everything. We got new ones, better ones, and we're gonna put them on probably today. Actually, we're gonna do a lot of the stuff today. We're gonna get done with as much stuff as we can. Cool little view in there. Washer fluid sensor. Got them in.
There's the old one.
Yep.
New one's placed in there.
It's all yellow and stuff, and new one's white. Yeah.
Alright. Got the sensor wire back on right there. We're all set.
Nice. Alright, guys, what we're gonna do now, the moment of truth, guys. And here we have the Alky system control liquid.
M1 fluid. Open it up.
M1 fluid.
It's alcohol.
Alcohol, guys. Not the kind you drink, though. They put some poison in it, so I don't think you should drink it.
Yeah, no, you can't drink this.
Unless you want to get really drunk and then die.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, so let's see. He's going to pour that in there. Is it going?
Not yet. Since I'm putting that nozzle on there like that, I just don't know if it's going to get any leakage right out of the thing. So.
Oh, yeah. Alright, so it's going in. Let's see. You guys can probably actually hear it dripping in. I wonder if you guys can hear that. I hope you can. It sounds pretty cool. But so far, no leaks. All looks pretty good.
Enough to leak, that's for sure.
Yep, all in there filled up nice.
You see in there? There's enough in there. Alright, no leaks.
No leaks, that's good.
That's
We're going to fill it up all the way. Toxic, guys. Flammable liquid. Yup. Hey. Alright, guys. So we did actually happen to run into a little bit of a problem. Hold on 1 second. So, what happened, we filled it up, and this hose started to leak. And so what we did, we just took the hose off, got all the alcohol back into the container, and now we're gonna see what we can do to fix this up. But sadly, my phone is running low, and I don't think that like my recording will like stay on while I'm charging it. So I'm probably just gonna have to end the video short here, because like we ran into a problem that's gonna take quite a while to fix. So we'll see you guys next time. Peace out.